Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically send emails using Gmail and n8n step by step. This is perfect for automations, alerts, or scheduled messages, so let's get started. First, open n8n and go to your workflow canvas. Click on Add Node, then open the Node panel. From here, search for Schedule Trigger and add it to your workflow. Set the trigger interval to seconds. Then set seconds between triggers to 5. Next, add another node. Search for Gmail and select Send a Message. Now you'll be asked to create credentials. Click Create New Credential, then choose Sign in with Google. Select your Gmail account and allow the permissions to connect it to n8n. Once your Gmail account is connected, fill in the email details like the recipient, subject, and message content. After that, click Test Step to send a test email. Now check your inbox, and as you can see, the email was sent successfully. Your Gmail automation is now working, and emails will be sent automatically based on the schedule you set. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.